Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about The Listeners. It is a poem written by Walter de la Mare. Before I start this poem, let me make you to imagine that you are being in the forest as alone and there only one house visible in your eyes. You are just step forward towards the house at night. Just imagine someone is following that you feel and you just stand back, but no one is there. What are the pictures will be passing in your mind? Will it be horror or peace? Friends, same thing we can see in this poem. There is a traveler riding a horse at midnight and had seen a lonely house, and he just stepped forward towards the house. After knocking the door in the moonlight, he asked, "Is there anybody there?" At the same time, his horse was slowly eating the flowerless plant which is in the flower in the moonlight. During that time, a bird flew up above the traveler's head from the small tower. The traveler hit the door strongly again, but no one responded to him, and nobody looked into his grey eyes from the window side, and the window was filled with a kind of grass plants. By observing everything, the traveler went little bit confused. Thereafter, he started to feel perhaps a group of ghosts would be listening him inside the lonely house. While observing inside the house, the stairs filled with dark in the moonlight, and the hall is empty. The air which passes at night makes him body shiver and horrible. Then he feels something strange in his heart, that someone listen in utter stillness. His horse is moving undisturbed and continued to graze the dark forest. The sky above in the moonlight filled by trees and leaves. The travelers hit the door louder and louder, but no one responded to him. He tells that, "I came here and no one answered, that I keep my promise." Finally, he jumped up into his horse. Now barely the sound of horse shoes on the stone path. Slowly, that also gone away in utter silence. So friends, I hope that you got a little bit idea of this poem, The Listeners. If you like this lesson, please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.